going on, family? Blackfinger checking in. I'm in some part of New Mexico right now. I'm in Burger King, about to get me a sandwich, me and baby. Everything is going good on the freeway so far, can't complain. Been seeing a few curfews, on the highway since we've been coming in, so that's been new. And my wife also noticed something that I didn't notice. She said that a lot of billboards wasn't up. Like, normally they have a lot of billboards up, promoting stuff and stuff to come to. That shows that right now business ain't, as usual right now. Things are slow, so a lot of people are hurting on different things. So think about that. So hold on for a second. Let me have a cheeseburger, no pickles, no onions.
Just a burger, cheeseburger?
Yeah, it could be the, just a regular cheeseburger, what she said she wanted.
Cheeseburger, no onion.
Yeah, and let me get the fish sandwich.
Fish sandwich, yes sir.
And that'll be it.
Okay, so I've got a big fish coming back, please. Anything else for you?
No man, that'll be all.
806 is your total, sir. And a name for your order?
Joe.
Joe?
Yeah. So, as you see, making things happen. Thank you very much. Life is grand, ain't it? One day at a time. We can't do nothing but take it one day at a time, man. But I'm enjoying the road trip, man. I'm excited to go to a new area, to conquer some new grounds, meet some new people, more down to earth people, So I do like that because I'm from the South, so I believe people in OKC got that Southern in them, you know what I mean? So even if some people have a certain opinion, they'll still reach out a hand and help you organically, and I like that, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking I'm gonna be able to build a nice little network around there. I'm gonna tell you something else too. I've noticed too. I've been putting some ads in the area, and I've noticed that it's I know it's a lot of welders over there, but they ain't really hustling. Like, it's only like maybe a handful of people that got little independent ads out and stuff like that. So that should let you know the mindset of the community and how people think. So I'm gonna try to target it by having more ads and hitting different areas and with different topics. That way I can not try to just release one ad to hit everybody, but to actually hit an ad to hit different people. So if I got to have 5 different ads, that's fine. Because most people try to put one and cram a whole lot of information in there, and then you're missing people. So the best thing to do is, thank you very much. The best thing to do is to make individual ads. Spend a little money, man. It don't cost that much. But you can make individual ads, make you 5 of them, especially on Craigslist. It ain't number $5. $5 an ad, that's $25 a month. And be specific on who you targeting. That way it'll help you a lot, versus you just, throwing one ad out there and throwing all the information on there and hoping you can hit everybody, which, you might hit someone, which, I have, because I have done it too. But you'll have more options and be more flexible with your networking if you have multiple ads. It's like having multiple sources of income.